So today we will discuss about the polarography. In polarography, there is measurement of current by voltage. The value of current is directly proportional to the quantity of metal present in the solutions. So we measure the current by constant voltage. So the first polarography is introduced in 1922 by Jaroslav Herodsky, and he won the Nobel Prize for the discovery of polarography. So in polarography we use two electrodes. It is the electrochemical, electroanalytical technique. Two electrodes is the anode and cathode. Anode it is the positive terminal, cathode it is the negative terminal. So we pass the current between these two electrodes, anode and cathode. Anode it is the large in size and it kept in the bottom of cell. So this is the bottom of cell. With the cell, here is present the anode at the bottom of the cell, and it consists of Hg, mercury, the positive terminal, and small anode with a droplet of, it is the small cathode, negative terminal, cathode, and this is the anode. So here we introduce two electrodes, anode and cathode. Anode is the large surface area and it is present in the bottom of cell, and cathode is the small Hg present in the small capillaries in the form of droplets. So cathode it is the act as an indicator electrode and anode it is the act as a reference electrode. In polarography instruments, we measure the metals in pharmaceutical samples. The quantity 10 raised to power minus 2 molar to 10 raised to power minus 5 molar. This is the small quantities of metal present in pharmaceutical samples. So we detect the trace metal in pharmaceutical samples. And the very small minor quantities, and the solution for analysis required is only in small drop of this sample. Only small drop of this sample we require for analysis. So generally use the main is applied in the pharmaceutical industries. Metals like cadmium, zinc, mercury, magnesium, vanadium. So next point for our discussion is the apparatus of polarography. In polarography, we will already discuss there is a two electrode attachment, generally electrochemical, analytical process. One is the cathode and anode. Cathode is the negative terminal, anode is the positive terminal. So in cathode, it is the dropping electrode. There is Hg reservoir. In a in small dropping capillaries. Here it is the small dropping capillary. So here we inserted a drop of Hg, mercury drops, in the solution, and it is attached the negative terminal of the battery. And here is the cell. In the cell at bottom, we kept the large Hg solution. It is the positive terminal, and it is known as the reference electrode. Negative terminal cathode, it is known as the indicator electrode. So when we put the solution in the cell, there is a air bubble form or oxygen. So for removing of oxygen, we inserted the nitrogen. Here we inserted nitrogen, oxygen is removed. Both cathode and anode is attached to the battery. So in polarogram, we receive the graph between current developed by here current is developed, and constant voltage will supply. The graph between current and voltage, current wise voltage. The graph is known as the polarogram. In next session, we will discuss about the working of polarogram.